Good morning, dear student. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. You are staying at home due to coronavirus, but your class will be continued. Our school has taken necessary steps to continue your studies. So today I am going to take class on English grammar. Welcome to my class. I am going to introduce you Muhammad Abdul Razzaq, Assistant Teacher in English, Sirazganj Power Development Board, Secondary School. Presentation made for class 9-10, English second paper, English grammar and composition. Look at the picture and try to guess we read so that you have given a gap and this sentence is not completed. And now it is completed. We read so that we can learn. What are we going to discuss today? Can you guess? Yes, concluding sentence. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to identify the definition of completing sentence, identify the method of completing sentence, complete incomplete sentences. What is a completing sentence? You are looking at the question. Try to understand. He goes to dash. He goes to school. He goes to school so that he can learn something. First sentence is not clear to express your feeling. So this sentence is not completed. Next sentence, he goes to school so that he can learn something. It is a clear sentence and it is completed. It is not a completing. First of all, it is a filling in the gap. Next, it is a completing sentence. So now we can say the definition of completing sentence. When a part of a sentence is completed with a clause or a phrase is called a completing sentence. Look at the screen and you are watching something. Rule so ... that. Dear student, I will discuss some rules of completing sentence and then you will try to understand and share with me to complete the sentence. This sentence about so ... that she was so ill that. she could not study at all. So means etui, that they. She was so ill that she could not study at all. The formation of the rules is given close with so dot dot that plus subject plus can oblique could. Thank you for admitting to my class. Can oblique could, may oblique might. Plus verb on mean present form. Plus related sentence. Subhashish Chaudhary. I am very happy to attend my class. Next rule 2 dot dot 2. Structure subject plus verb plus 2 plus adjective oblique adverb plus 2 plus verb 1 plus extension. Look at the picture. The man is unable. Achha, the man is too old to dash. Or the man is too old to walk. Now we want to complete the another sentences. He is too dishonest to dash. He is too dishonest to speak the truth. Next example, you are too short to dash. The answer is touch the roof. You are too short to touch the roof. So, dear student, there is a note. Whenever you will be completed any completing sentence, completed part must be underlined. Rule 2 dot dot 2. There is a difference between 2 dot dot 2. You have been set for structure subject plus verb plus 2 plus adjective oblique adverb plus for plus personal oblique pronominal object means me, him, us, her, them plus 2 plus verb present form plus extension. So look at the picture. The sentence is the tea is too hot for me. Can you answer? To drink. So the answer is the tea is too hot for me to drink. Complete the following sentence. The book is too hard for me to dash, to understand. The load is too heavy for them to dash. To carry. Is it clear? Look at the picture and I will discuss another rule about lest. He walks fast lest. He should oblique might reach in time. Structure assertive oblique imperative sentence plus lest plus subject plus should oblique might plus verb 1 plus extension. Complete the sentences. He ran away fast lest. Number 2, read diligently lest. Take your umbrella lest. Walk fast lest. The old man walked slowly lest. The answer is number 1, he ran away fast lest he should be seen. Number 2, answer is you should fail in the exam. Number 3, take your umbrella lest you should get wet. The old man walked slowly lest he should fall down. Dear student, try to guess the answer. Your answer may be different, but the answer will be correct if the meaning of the sentence is clear. Next rule, so oblique in order that. So that oblique in order that. Formation given close with so that oblique in order that plus subject plus can oblique could oblique may oblique might plus verb a present form plus extension. He reads attentively so that the answer is he can make a good result. Activities of the rules of so that oblique in order that. She writes well so that she can get good marks. He works hard in order that he can shine in life. We eat so that we may live. They took rest in order that they could work well. Dear student, when the verb is present form, you may use auxiliary verb can oblique may. But the verb is past, you will use could oblique might in the completing sentence. Next rule, no sooner had then. Scarcely had when. Hardly had when oblique before. Formation, no sooner plus past perfect tense plus then plus past indefinite tense. Scarcely plus past perfect tense plus when plus past indefinite tense. এখানে hardly plus past perfect tense plus when plus past indefinite tense. No sooner had they begun to play football, the answer will be then the rain started. Complete the following sentence. Scarcely had we reached the station when the train left. No sooner had I gone out than he came. Hardly had he reached the college when the examination began. Scarcely had the assembly begun when some members walked out. Rule provided oblique provided that oblique providing that. That means jodi. The plane will take off in time provided weather is fine, good, oblique fine. Normally, present indefinite tense is used after provided oblique provided that oblique providing that. Formation future indefinite tense plus provided oblique provided that oblique providing that plus present indefinite tense. Now we are going to do some activities about provided that providing. I will go to London provided that I get scholarship. I will lend you provided that you return in time. I will take umbrella provided that it rains. He will shine in life provided that he works hard. Dear student, look at the another picture, and that is about the rule of unless. Structure unless plus subject plus present indefinite plus subject plus future indefinite. Example, unless you work hard, you will fail. Complete the following sentences. Number one, unless you read attentively, you will fail. Unless you start early, you will miss the train. He will not shine in life, shine unless he works hard. Dear student, look at the screen again. The rule is about till oblique until. Formation given close with till oblique until plus a negative oblique and affirmative sentence in present indefinite form. Wait until the rain stops. Complete the sentences. Wait for me until I come back. Wait here till I do not return. He will nurse me until I get well. Dear student, look at the another picture. And that is rule about though oblique although. Though he is poor, answer is he is honest. Although he is rich, complete the sentence, he is unhappy. Next example, though cricket is a costly game, and answer is people of all ages like it. Formation given close with though oblique although plus relevant sentence. Dear student, next rule, instead of oblique in lieu of পরিবর্তে. History book, the picture logic. Instead of history, he took logic. Pen, pencil. He bought a pen in lieu of a pencil. He ate fish, completed, instead of meat. Dear student, I have discussed about some rules about completing sentence. The next rule will be delivered or talked about in the next class. Now, try to understand the rules of completing sentence. And now I am going to give you homework. Write 10 sentences using completing sentence. Dear student, first off, you will read through the rules given from me and then try to make sentence using completing sentence. Thank you. Goodbye. Stay home, remain safe, and try to read the rules at home. Whenever you will go out, you will put mask. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz.